Hi friends, welcome back to my other Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to make normal body to six-pack body in Photoshop. Before begin, don't forget to subscribe my channel below. And give this tutorial a big thumbs up. Let's open Photoshop CS6. Here I already imported these two images in Photoshop. Cool. First of all, unlock this layer by double-click on layer. Then hit Ctrl J for copy the same layer. Hide the bottom layer. Now go to 6-pack body window. Here choose Lasso tool by hit L. Then zoom this image by Ctrl+. Perfect. Now select the 6-pack body with Lasso tool. Then move this window to side by holding on top. Just drag this selection 6-pack body on normal body window. Hit Ctrl+ for zoom. Then decrease the opacity to 57. Now adjust the image to match the bottom image. Increase the opacity value to 100. Perfect. Take the eraser tool by shortcut E. Then erase the edges like this. Select this 6-pack area by holding Ctrl and hit on layer box. Now go to select menu, modify and choose contract option. Here change the contract value to 5 and press OK. Now hide the top layer. Delete the selection area in second layer by hitting delete button. Hit Ctrl D to deselect. Perfect. Now unhide the top layer by hit on eye icon. Select the top two layers by holding Shift key. Then go to Edit, and choose Auto Blend Layers. Here select Panorama option, and also select Seamless Tones and Colors. And press OK. Now take a group folder and drag these two layers on it. Now the time to see the final result. Thank you and need your support.